In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to host a jam on Spotify using the 1 month free premium trial. First, make sure you have activated your Spotify premium free trial by going to the official Spotify premium page, signing up for 1 month for $0 offer. Once your premium is active, open the Spotify app on your phone. Now play any song you like, and on the now playing screen, look for the speaker or device icon at the bottom. Tap on it and you'll see the option called Start a Jam. Go ahead and tap that. Once the jam starts, you can invite your friends to join by sharing the invite link, letting them scan the QR code, or sending it directly through apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. Your friends can join the jam and start adding songs to queue. But keep in mind that for full control and the best experience, they should also have Spotify Premium. As the host, you can control playback, skip tracks, rearrange songs, and manage who is in the session. This is perfect for parties, road trips, or just listening together with friends in real time. One important thing to remember is that the jam feature works best when everyone has a stable internet connection, and some features may be limited for free users. Also, since you are using the free premium trial, don't forget that it will automatically renew after 1 month, so make sure to cancel before the billing date if you don't want to be charged. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.